In today's session, we're guiding you through a beginner-friendly 10-minute yoga flow designed to help you feel amazing, both physically and mentally. Whether you're a first-time yogi or just in need of a gentle practice to reset, this quick session will leave you feeling relaxed, refreshed, and energized. Yoga is an incredible practice that helps increase flexibility, promote mindfulness, and build strength. The best part is, you don't need any special equipment, just a yoga mat, some space, and your breath. So, roll out your mat, take a deep breath, and let's get started with this rejuvenating flow. 1. Setting up your space for yoga. Before we dive into the yoga practice, let's ensure that your space is set up properly. A calm and quiet environment is key for effective practice, so find a place where you won't be distracted or interrupted. It could be anywhere from a corner of your living room to a peaceful outdoor space. Lay your yoga mat down flat, making sure it's comfortable and won't slip under you during your practice. Consider dimming the lights or lighting a candle to create a peaceful ambiance. The goal is to create an environment that feels relaxing and inviting. Once your space is ready, take a moment to check in with yourself. Stand still and close your eyes, taking a few deep breaths in through your nose and out through your mouth. This will help center your mind and prepare you for the physical movements ahead. With your space set up and your body and mind aligned, you're ready to begin the flow. 2. Breathing techniques for beginners. Breathing is a cornerstone of yoga, and it's essential for beginners to understand how to incorporate breath with movement. Start by sitting comfortably on your mat with your spine straight and your shoulders relaxed. Gently close your eyes and start bringing your awareness to your breath. Take a deep inhale through your nose, letting your lungs expand and your belly rise. Then, exhale slowly and completely through your mouth, allowing any tension in your body to melt away. Continue this deep breathing for a few moments, focusing entirely on the sensation of the breath as it enters and leaves your body. When we breathe deeply and slowly, we send a message to our nervous system to relax, which is exactly what we want for yoga. By syncing your breath with your movements, you'll deepen your practice and become more mindful of every stretch and pose. As we move through the flow, remember to always focus on your breath. It's your anchor and will help you maintain a steady rhythm throughout the session. 3. Cat-cow pose for spinal warm-up. Now, let's start warming up the spine with a classic yoga flow, cat-cow pose. This simple yet powerful movement helps increase flexibility in the spine and prepares the body for the rest of the session. Begin on all fours in a tabletop position with your hands directly under your shoulders and your knees under your hips. Spread your fingers wide and press your palms into the floor to stabilize your upper body. On your inhale, arch your back, letting your belly sink towards the floor while lifting your chest and tailbone towards the sky. This is the cow pose. Feel the stretch in your chest, abdomen, and hips as your spine gently curves downward. As you exhale, round your spine upwards, tucking your chin to your chest and pulling your belly button in towards your spine. This is the cat pose. Feel the stretch in your back and neck as you round your body. Continue to flow between these two positions, moving with your breath. Each inhale should be a gentle arch, and each exhale should deepen the round. This movement helps improve spinal mobility and prepares your body for the poses to come. 4. Downward facing dog for full body stretch. Next, let's move into downward facing dog, one of the most iconic yoga poses. From your tabletop position, tuck your toes and lift your hips towards the ceiling, forming an upside-down V shape with your body. Press your hands firmly into the mat, spreading your fingers wide to create stability. Try to straighten your legs, but if you need to, feel free to keep a slight bend in the knees. There's no rush here. Your body should form a long, diagonal line from your wrists to your hips. Relax your neck by allowing your head to hang heavy between your arms, letting your gaze point towards your belly button. As you hold this position, focus on the stretch in your hamstrings, calves, and back. Downward facing dog helps stretch and lengthen the body, particularly in the back and legs, and it also strengthens the arms and core. Hold for a few breaths, taking deep inhales and exhales, and feel the energy in your body start to awaken. It's a powerful pose that can help calm the mind while providing a full body stretch. 5. Forward fold for hamstring stretch. After downward facing dog, walk your feet toward your hands and come into a forward fold. In this pose, stand with your feet hip-width apart, and as you exhale, bend forward at the hips, allowing your head to drop towards the floor. If your hamstrings are tight, keep a slight bend in your knees, and feel free to place your hands on the mat for balance. If you're able, reach for opposite elbows and gently sway from side to side, releasing any tension in the back of your legs and your lower back. Forward fold is a great pose for lengthening your hamstrings and releasing any built-up tension in your body. Take a few deep breaths here, noticing how your body feels as you release into the stretch. This pose is all about letting go, so with every exhale, imagine the tension leaving your body and your muscles lengthening. If you'd like to deepen the stretch, you can bring your chest closer to your thighs or gently rock your body side to side. Hold for several breaths, feeling your body relax deeper into the fold with each exhale. 6. Mountain pose for stability and alignment. Let's now come up to a standing position in mountain pose, Tadasana. Stand tall with your feet together, grounding evenly through your feet. Engage your thighs, lift your chest, and lengthen your spine as you reach your arms by your sides, palms facing forward. Mountain pose is simple but powerful, as it helps you establish proper alignment and build stability. Imagine a straight line running from the crown of your head down to your feet, and keep your gaze forward. Take a few moments to notice your posture. Are your shoulders relaxed, your chest open, and your core engaged? This pose encourages mindfulness and presence, reminding you to stay grounded and centered, both physically and mentally. In addition, mountain pose strengthens the legs, opens the chest, and improves posture. Hold here for several breaths, taking your time to check in with your body, your breath, and your intention for the practice. 7. Forward lunge for hip flexor stretch. Now, step one foot forward into a forward lunge. Start by stepping your right foot between your hands, ensuring your knee is directly over your ankle and your left leg is extended behind you, with your knee gently touching the mat. You should feel a deep stretch in your hip flexors and thighs as you open up through the front of your body. If this feels comfortable, raise your arms overhead, keeping your chest lifted and shoulders away from your ears. The forward lunge helps open the hips, stretch the legs, and strengthen the core. Stay here for a few breaths, allowing your body to deepen into the stretch with each exhale. If you feel any tension in your lower back or knees, adjust the position of your foot and keep the movement slow and controlled. After several breaths, gently step back into downward facing dog and repeat on the other side. Scroll down and check the link. You might discover something your routine has been missing. Great job on completing this 10-minute yoga flow. You've done amazing, and your body is already reaping the benefits. Remember, consistency is key, so try to practice regularly and listen to your body. Yoga is a personal journey, and it's about connecting with yourself both physically and mentally. If you enjoyed this session, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and feel free to subscribe for more amazing content on yoga, wellness, and mindfulness. Take a moment to reflect on how you feel now, relaxed, centered, and energized. Thank you for practicing with me today, and I'll see you in the next session. Scroll down and check the link. You might discover something your routine has been missing.